Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss a very important question asked in banking job interviews. Why do you want to join the banking sector? This is a very crucial question because people from different educational backgrounds apply for banking jobs and the right answer can make a big difference in your interview performance. I am an engineering graduate, and when I appeared for my IBPS PO interview 10 years back, I found it really difficult to answer this question. I finally got selected, got good marks in the interview, and joined Bank of Baroda, which was my first choice. In this video, I will help you prepare for an answer. You can tweak it to match your own background, personality, and career goals. The question, why do you want to join banking sector, checks your clarity of thought, career planning, and suitability for the role. A strong answer should show your interest in banking, link your skills and background to the job, and explain what you can contribute to the bank. Let's look at some sample answers for different educational backgrounds like commerce graduates, arts graduates, and engineering graduates. First, let me give you a sample answer for commerce graduates who are freshers. Being a commerce graduate, I already have an academic background that relates closely to the banking sector. I have studied subjects like accountancy, finance, and business management, which give me a basic understanding of how banks function. I am also aware that banking is one of the most stable and respected career options with opportunities for growth and learning. I like interacting with people and I believe this skill will help me provide superior banking customer service, which is key to bank success. With my commerce foundation, eagerness to learn, and customer service skills, I believe I can contribute effectively to the bank's goals. Now let's discuss a sample answer for engineering graduates. Even though I am an engineering graduate and my educational background is not directly related to banking, I feel in this age of technology, my education will definitely come in handy. Technology is involved in every stage of banking operations. Core banking solutions for daily transactions, online loan portals, compliance systems, and even AI driven services like pre approved loans and customer segmentation. I am confident that the basic banking knowledge I can gain through training, when combined with my technical skills, will allow me to contribute to bank's efficiency, innovation, and growth. Now, let's discuss a sample answer for arts graduates. I believe that the most important aspect of banking is customer service and providing a superior customer experience. This is what differentiates one bank from another, as customers are the most important part of the entire banking process. While banking operations and credit processes can be learned through training, my genuine ability to interact with people and my inclination to solve customer problems are natural strengths. I am confident that my willingness to learn and my strong people skills can help the bank provide an outstanding customer experience and build lasting relationships with the clients. So that's how you can structure your answer depending on your background. Remember, the key is to be honest, confident, and specific. Don't just memorize these lines, make them your own. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends who are preparing for bank interviews, and subscribe for more interview preparation tips. Thanks for watching and all the best for your upcoming interviews.